Hey guys, it's Leek. Welcome back to my channel. Today I did a very early fall look. Fall is coming. It's not here yet, but I am very much ready for it. For everything except cold weather, so hope it's not too cold of a fall this year. But I did do this like minimal smoky eye. I know I wanted to do like a brown or a purple eyeshadow look because I haven't really done a makeup tutorial in a while, and I've been really feeling my skin lately. I feel like the overall look is very pretty. I love like the warm tones and all that. My nails are not fall. Just do this look for you guys. If you want to see how I did it, please keep on watching. So I started with my Milk cooling stick. I use this for the puffiness around my eyes. As you can see, I have huge bags. Then I go with my daily moisturizer by Supergoop. It has sunscreen and I love it for all times of the year. For the brows, I used Dip Brow by Anastasia and Ebony. I haven't showed you guys how I do my brows in a minute, so I thought I would just show you a little bit of how I do them. And then my favorite primer of all time will always be Milk Hydro Grip. I pair that with the YSL All Hours foundation and it looks just like skin. It is so flawless. You'll see exactly what I mean. So see, I love how it balances out my skin texture. Now when it comes to concealer, I use NARS and Smashbox. Smashbox is a little bit brighter, but NARS is the base and what I use like 80% of. But I love the way concealer and contour balances out your entire face aside from foundation. For contour, I use the Anastasia foundation stick. You'll see I use that on my cheekbones, my jawline because I have a little bit of extra skin down there, my nose, forehead, everywhere else. Now for powder, this company is literally called Banana Setting Powder. That's the only name that's on there, and I fell back in love with this. I got this in an Ipsy bag like a year ago, and I just love the tint to it. It's the perfect banana, perfect yellow powder. I love it so much, so I fell back in love with it, and I used that to bake today. Now the only bronzer I've used for years, Too Faced Dark Chocolate. I was using that to set and I realized I didn't even blend out my bottom part. I do this like 20 times a week. Okay, eyeshadow palettes, moving fast. Modern Renaissance and Soft Glam, using Mulberry to pack onto my lid, and then I'm going to use, I believe it is Sienna, to blend it out and buff it out. I'm just doing those two steps back and forth, so packing and blending, packing and blending. Yes, so I used Sienna to buff out the Mulberry shade. Basically, I wanted sort of a cat eye smoky eye, which is more shadow on the ends of my eye than on the front. So you'll notice that when I look straight at the camera, that more shadow is towards the ends versus towards the inner corners of my eyes. Right here, I'm showing you how there's more shadow on the end, and I'm sort of dragging it out, sort of a cat eye type of eye, but it's really pretty. It's very minimal, very smoky, and very pretty. Using this Anastasia blush kit to just put directly on top of my contour. That's the favorite place for me to put my blush because it looks very natural. Damn Girl is my favorite mascara ever. It really just spreads your lashes out, prepares them for falsies because I wear falsies every single day. These are Lily lashes in the style Barcelona. They're very natural and pretty. Perfect for fall. I didn't have my big lashes today, so. And just that quick, you're done. Here's the completed eyeshadow look with the lashes. It's so simple and pretty. I haven't done a look like this in a long time. Then I take the Pixie setting spray or mist and it just dampens my face, makes it look way more natural. I refuse to let this kit go. It's Nicole Guerrero's limited edition with Anastasia 143. Is so pretty. I want her to bring this palette back, but I love this palette. I use it 80% of the time. Finishing it off with this liquid lip and liner, both in the name Cork. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. It's a nice little minimal cranberry smoky eye for fall. I am so ready for fall. I'm not ready for the cold at all because I'm anemic, so I'm cold all the time, but I'm ready to like do fall stuff, you know, Halloween, Thanksgiving, holidays, all that stuff comes around really fast and it just goes. I feel like the last like 4 months of the year are really fast and a lot's happening. It's my boyfriend's birthday next month, so I'm just excited for like all the fall candles, all the fall stuff, all that stuff, wearing cute sweaters and Uggs every single day. But I'm not ready for the cold weather, so we're not in a rush to do that. But I did complete this look for you guys. I'm going to be doing more makeup tutorials as the end of the year comes. I will be doing Halloween tutorials. I think I just did one last year. I'm going to try to do 2 or 3 this year. Let's hope. But I am back and ready to post. I was having like really bad health issues. I was really sick. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was throwing up all over the place. So that's where I've been and I'm back for good. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for some more leak in your life. Let's get me to 500 subscribers, please. And from there on, I will be posting like crazy. I promise you guys. All right, so see you guys in the next one.